What's up, guys? Don't mind the mess. We had a little bit of an installation day today and kind of kicked my ass. But I have a bad knee and I have trouble walking sometimes, so it's whatever. But I wanted to show you guys, I got my MB3 in finally. It's from the promotion that they had. We were in the market for a new backpack and I was able to get this as part of their promotion. So I wanted to show you guys this bag real quick. So I really wanted this bag because I'm kind of outgrowing this one a little bit, or I'm trying to my stuff fits, but it goes in a certain way, and if I don't, and it sticks out, so it's quite a bit bigger. I'm sure you can tell there. It's a little bigger than I thought, but that's actually good. And some of the main reasons was just, it's bigger, but it has more pockets. So this is supposed to be for your probes, which I do carry in my MB2, and we'll try this out. So it has for probes and clamps, I believe. You got a little extra pen type of pocket right here on both sides, I believe. Yeah. And on the inside you got 2 pockets instead of 1, and then of course the middle part. And then in here I believe there's a little zipper pocket here, which is pretty cool. I'm sure I can keep some extra things in there. Yeah, it should just be able to fit more comfortably in this one. And I'll show you what it's like to switch from an MB2 to a MB3. And we'll do that. I'll try it out for a week or 2 and show you how it's going. Alright, so let's switch over real quick. All right, man, so everything fits in there super well. Pretty happy. Got my probes back here. Still got more space right there. I don't know, I might keep the clamps after all. The side pockets kind of fit the same even though they're 2 pockets. I didn't want to overstuff them. And then here, these are my pliers and all-in-one. And then my meter, electric screwdriver. And then I recently added this, which is just a thermometer. You've probably seen me use it in videos. I've been liking it. It's an infrared laser with a thermometer if I need it. So I've been doing that to check ACs. And then this is awesome, man. Having the hose right here if I need to charge with the probes. I need to get a better hose though. This is pretty old. I need to just get one that has a ball valve already instead of the extension on it. Yeah, that's cool, man. I just don't know if I'm going to use it as a strap, shoulder strap, or a backpack, because it's bigger. It might work as a backpack. Like I said, I'll try it out and let you guys know. Alright guys, so here's the MB3 shoulder strap. Been enjoying it so far. It's not too big. It's you know, it's not as slim as the MB2, but it's doing the job, and I get to carry extra stuff in here. Been trying it out for a few days. And here is what the MB2 used to be like. I know it's quite a bit bigger, but this was by far my favorite for the longest time. So I don't know how to feel. This one is probably the smallest bag you can get away with that's enclosed and not like too wide or anything, because I like that it's slim. Trying out this new camera. Hopefully better videos come out of it. We'll get better shots, more hands-on stuff, because it's kind of hard holding a phone the whole time. Alright guys, so after a week of 90 or 100 plus degree weather, it's cold out again. Gotta bust out the hoodie. I'm liking the MB3 so far, but I think I'm going to keep it for comfort instead of like packing it all the way out. So like on the side, little ratchet there. I like these extra pockets that they put. I was able to fit good stuff in there. I still have room in here that I need to like figure out. I need some more like slim tools that I can put on this side. I got a marker, and then I fit this police security light in this pocket too. So that's been a good light. Rechargeable. And in here, I'm trying to keep it simple. This has been really good for me, the little Klein Tools probe thermometer with the infrared laser. Been using it a lot, liking that one. And then in here, keeping it to like alligator clips and thermocouples. And if I have when I gotta replace those core valves, I keep one in each bag, plus the ones I got in my vacuum setup. If I have other wiring stuff, I may throw them in there. And I'm still using this as my little keeper for wire nuts, caps, and connectors. Still works out pretty good in this. I might get a bigger one, but for now, that's going to stay there. And then in the back, I've been using it for my probes. And then I got another UEI probe thermometer, just in case. And for now I have one clamp if I want to check superheat. But I mean, you can honestly toggle it back and forth for superheat or subcool, so that keeps me from carrying both clamps, because I don't really do a full system check like that when I'm with this bag. If I'm doing a like on a setup, install, things like that, I have the digital with the clamps on it already. And I haven't used the hook yet, but that's really cool. Forgot about that. What I might do is, because when I got that other thermometer, I got this Klein thermal imager, is let's say I don't want to do system checks with the clamp. I might, because it is kind of rugged, just got to be careful with the screen, but it does fit in here too. So I don't know, I might keep that. I've been using this to check a few things, not enough to do a video on it yet, but like if there's you know, like heat coming in through doors or windows, stuff like that, I'll point that out with this. And I've been wanting to try it on disconnects, faulty disconnects and things like that, but I haven't had a chance. Alright, so I'm also adding these. I just went out and got these. Got me a knife that I'm going to clip right here. Insulated screwdrivers for when I work on like little rack systems, where they have the contactors and breakers and everything like next to each other, and I got to replace something without killing power to everything. I got this at Lowe's. Home Depot didn't have the ones that I've seen everybody with, the reversible bits. These are kind of like the Malco ones, magnetic too. The cool thing is it's 5/16 and a quarter, and the 3/8 one has a 7/16 instead of another 5/16, but you get an extra bit there. So yeah, these are the Lowe's ones. These are their regular set, I think, because the ones that you see at Home Depot that are like gray and I think a little bit longer are like the max impact ones, but these will work fine. And I also got these. They're at Lowe's. It's basically the same idea as this, but it's not reversible, so you got a bit for each size, and then you have that piece in your impact, and you just switch out the bit. I'll try that out because it had a 1/2 inch, and that's the only thing that I was missing. Alright, so I don't want to carry like this whole case in here, and I still have my Malco bit. So what I saw was, if I take this one off, these two are very similar. So if I just want to take the 1/2 inch, which is the only one that I probably need from this set, it fits on the Malco piece, and then I can just carry that piece right there, and then I'll have this as a backup, or I'll throw it in my backpack. And then in my MB3 I can carry 5 sizes with just this package right here. And I almost forgot I picked this up too, a little ratchet with different bits. I've seen a lot of people recommend this for tight spots, so I'm gonna throw it in here and try it out. See if this is better than a stubby, or what use I get out of this. We'll see. So if you're willing to go with the bigger size, I think it's a great bag. I'm definitely going to keep this one. I will miss the MB2, but this better suits my needs. The big thing is, you know, having a hose right there, so I don't have to worry about grabbing that. The only thing I got to grab is a tank, so I can charge, and I might fill it in with some hand tools. I kind of want to get like those Nipix tools, different pliers that they have, the self-adjusting stuff, things like that, and I'll see if I can put them in here, some mini ones and maybe some bigger ones inside. But yeah, hey guys, thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe. Despite the weather today, it is no cool season, Our week was mostly over 100 degrees, and we're gonna get a lot more of that. We're getting a lot of AC calls coming in, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it was a little late. I used their promotion and it took a while to come in. Finally got it in. I'm loving the bag, and yeah, see you guys.